Welcome back investors. Today we are going to have a technical session on Vardhman Textiles, a textile group of Ludhiana established in 1965. Vardhman Group is engaged into manufacturing and trading of yarn, grease, processed fabric, sewing threads and acrylic fiber. The group has a unique business model with presence in entire value chain from fiber to fabric. In the recent past, the company has showed sales growth with CAGR of 9.5% with yarn as the most profitable business. The uptrend gap in the current opening price shows the preferability of Indian investors. Though the volumes are not much, but current volumes are enough to drive the prices upwards. Checking the figures for the day's lows and highs, it is noticed that there are vast fluctuations in the stock prices, which clearly indicates the likeliness of major market participants in driving the prices upwards. Also, the stock has a 52-week high of 1404 and under same conditions even has the potential to test the levels of 1600 in the future. Technically, if we look at the 2-year chart, we notice that there is a continuous uptrend in the stock prices. The pattern is very strong and higher levels may be expected in long term. If we look at the 3-month chart, the pattern is very strong and hence indicates the pattern reversal after a dip and testing levels of 1150. After these levels, the stock has again started its uptrend, and in the span of 2 to 3 years, it may test levels of 1600 to 1800 with larger volumes than the current volumes. Having a glance at the financial figures of Vardhman Textiles, the company is maintaining its current ratio at 1.61, which is preferably good, keeping in mind the future aspects of the company. The company has asset test ratio of 0.68, which is acceptable, and it may be expected by the company to make this ratio even better. There is also some positive figures if we look at the quarterly figures, which show increase in net sales by a good number of 115.61 crores. Income from operations and earnings per share also show increment by 59.28 crores and 1.7 rupees respectively. The overall financial figure indicates investments can be made in the company for future perspectives in the long run, and it may perform satisfiable in the long run. Analytical Outlook reports strong margins of 24% in FY17 second quarter on account of benefits of low cost inventory. As we look at the quarter 3 reports, it shows a fall of 420 basis points at levels of 17.1%. Increased cotton prices also result in increase in input cost. In the recent valuation, the company is expected to have EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.5. After looking at various financials and figures of Vardhman Textiles, the editor's recommendation pulls out to be on a buy side at current market levels of 1220 with 1-year targets of 1350 and 3-year targets of 1621. The fresh level entry are acceptable and buy executions can be made, but with a strict stop loss of 1160 rupees. Thank you.